Welcome to Tag Time. My name is Tim Taggart, and this is TAGG-ED with Pro Bowling. So, if you watch the video with the standard bowling, this one is just a little bit harder math, and you'll notice instead of one purple ball, we actually have a green ball and a yellow ball. So again, now you don't bowl just twice. We're going to go through the line as many times as it takes to knock off all of the blue balls off the mat, and then they will put them in the hoop. But there's a catch. Two catches actually. So the math is harder. Each ball now is not worth 1 point, but if it has a 7 on it, this ball is worth 7 points, which is pretty cool. So the balls are 0 through 9, and if I knock out the green ball, I will put that in the blue hoop with all the other balls I've knocked out, and it will double the score of all those points. So that 7 becomes 14 points. However, the yellow ball, ew, yellow ball is bad, right? It's like plaque, it's gross, we don't want this ball. This ball wipes out your score. So if I knock out the yellow ball, it's going to go in that blue hoop also, and every ball in there will be worth 0 points. So you don't want to knock out the yellow ball. You always want to leave it on the mat or get rid of it right away, and then we're going to move on to the purple hoop. So if the yellow ball does go into the blue hoop, everything else goes into the second hoop, and we can still have a chance to double the score of the second hoop. You girls ready? All right. Let's go. Ready, Sylvie? Here it comes. It's all right, Kiana. Hi, Anna. Ah, at least it bounced right into him. Come on, man, quicker. Turn around, here it comes. All right, almost, Sophie. Almost.
They never actually go out.
Oh yes, I missed. Get it. All right, take it back. Looking good. Nice, you got one. You got 2, 3. Put those in the blue hoop. Naomi, you can just, yep, there you go. Get ready. Right over. So, Maya learning the hard way. Bouncing balls aren't the best. Want them to roll. There we go. That's not successful very often. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Here it comes. You try to curve it? Like in real bowling? You look like you tried to spin that one in. Oh my goodness. Remember, accuracy, more important. Accuracy more important than speed and power. Yeah.
Second, kind of well gone.
That looks good. Boom, nice. You can take the A. The A should have rolled off, but the curb kept it on. Or you can ignore me and leave it there. Nice. Yep, you get this, Sophie will get the blue one. Good job. Good job.
If you got the yellow one out, that would have been so funny.
You're in a good position. You have the yellow ball on the side. It's out of the way. Just don't hit it, and you're home free. Sounds super easy. Sophie, don't even look at the yellow one.
Yeah, don't even look at it.
There you go. Nice. So now we're going to take the green ball. We're going to put that in the blue hoop. Everything else now goes in the purple hoop. Nothing else can go in this hoop. And the score of everything in this hoop is now doubled. Whatever you do, don't hit the yellow ball. All right, let's go.
No pressure.
No pressure. Look at you. All right, grab that one. Grab the one. It went back in. Yep, goes in purple. Nope, nope, the one in the middle. It's on the green. You got it, you got it, you got it. Good job. 3 left. You can do it. Uh-oh. If they knock out the yellow ball, they lose all their points. All of them. The pressure is building. I'm doing my low golf voice. We don't want it to interrupt. 2 left. Purple. Good job. Good job, Naomi. Looking good. Oh. Here it is. Here's the danger zone right here. Oh. You got it though. Nice. All right. Here it is. Last one. Look at the pressure build.
It's so close.
Here we go. Looking good. We got it. Nice. Okay, so come on here, girls. Now here's what we're going to do. So the camera can see we have 3. We have a 7. We have a 4 and a 5. I'm going to put the 5 over here. What is this? Add that up. What's that score?
19.
19? 19 times 2 is what? You're all on the same team. You can all help. 19 times 2. You want some help? 38. Naomi, 38. Nice. All right. So you have 38 points in that blue loop. Now we're going to add these up. Okay.
Kind of multiplied 2 by.
This is all right. So now we're going to add up this score here.
I got the 81.
All right, add these up. We have 1, 6, 9, 7, 8. So here, look at this. 10, 20, 33 plus 38 is what? So can you move all the way? Again. So we have 38 points, 33 points, right? 61 points. So you would write down 61 points, you would set this up, and then you would go again. So again, just like TAGG-ED bowling, or tic-tac-toe, tic-tac-toe, I get to have everybody in front of me, all the bowling games going on in a line, and I can simply walk back and forth. I keep my whole class in front of me. Classroom management, couldn't be easier. They're doing math. I don't have to tell them to start again. The mat, you always moving. Dana. So the mat shows you exactly where everything goes. All the black dots get either a blue, red, or orange ball, yellow and green. Couldn't be easier to put a yellow and a green ball where they go. And then they just keep going. So that you would write down your score. What was your score? 61. So you may not get through this as many times as other teams, but if you have the highest score at the end, if you only get through it 3 or 4 times, and you have 61 every time, you're probably going to win. Because there's going to be teams that get the yellow ball last, and they're going to zero out their score. So you don't want that. Awesome. Good job, everybody. Was it fun? Yes, it was fun.